What if I told you that the meat sitting on your dinner plate right now could either be a slow-acting poison for your filtration system or the very medicine your body needs to repair its vital organs? Most people view their kidneys as simple mechanical filters, passive sieves that just catch waste and move it along. But the reality is far more complex and far more hopeful. Your kidneys are dynamic, living biological engines. They are sensitive to every single amino acid and every gram of protein you consume. While the wrong choice of meat can force these organs into an emergency state of overwork, causing inflammation and the buildup of dangerous metabolic waste, the right choice can actually facilitate a toxin flush. In the United States, current nephrology research is shifting away from the old-fashioned idea that you must stop eating meat entirely to save your kidneys. Instead, the focus has moved to protein efficiency. It is about choosing meats that provide the building blocks for tissue repair without leaving behind the acid ash and nitrogenous sludge that clogs up your internal plumbing. Today, we are going to dive deep into 4 specific meats that are frequently highlighted in advanced renal nutrition programs across America. We will explore the hidden science of why these meats help remove toxins, how they support the regeneration of kidney tissue, and the critical mistakes that can turn even the healthiest protein into a renal nightmare. Make sure you stay until the very end because I'm going to reveal a secret cooking technique, the renal rinse, that can actually leach out hidden minerals and reduce kidney stress by up to 30%. This is something even most nutritionists never mention. Number 1. Skinless chicken breast. When we talk about a clean burning fuel for the kidneys, skinless chicken breast is the undisputed gold standard. To understand why, we have to look at what happens when you digest protein. Your body breaks protein down into various waste products, most notably blood urea nitrogen, or BUN. High-quality proteins are used by your muscles efficiently, leaving behind very little smoke for the kidneys to clear. Chicken breast has a high biological value, meaning your body can use almost every gram of it for repair, rather than turning it into waste. Clinical studies have shown that when patients with early-stage kidney disease swap red meat for lean poultry, their BUN levels often stabilize or drop. This is a direct sign that the kidneys are under less metabolic stress. But the benefits of chicken breast go deeper than just urea. One of the greatest threats to kidney health is phosphorus. When kidneys are struggling, they lose the ability to clear excess phosphorus from the blood. High phosphorus acts like a calcifier, hardening the arteries and making your bones brittle. Chicken breast is naturally lower in phosphorus compared to beef or organ meats, making it a much safer everyday protein. Furthermore, chicken breast is virtually free of saturated fats. This is vital because your kidneys rely on a network of microscopic blood vessels called the glomeruli. If your blood is thick with saturated fats and cholesterol, these tiny filters become inflamed and scarred. By choosing chicken breast, you are ensuring that your blood remains thin and easy to filter, allowing the kidneys to flush toxins without fighting against internal inflammation. However, the skin must be removed. Chicken skin is a concentrated source of fat and inflammatory markers that can instantly undo the benefits of the meat. To repair your kidneys, you want the muscle tissue, not the fat. Number 2. Lean turkey. Next on our list is lean turkey, a meat that acts as a metabolic shield for the renal system. Many people think of turkey only during the holidays, but for those concerned with kidney repair, it should be a year-round staple. The standout feature of turkey is its low purine content. Purines are natural compounds that, when metabolized, turn into uric acid. If your kidneys are already stressed, uric acid can form microscopic crystals that act like shards of glass inside your filtration tubes, causing permanent scarring. Research from American renal clinics suggests that turkey provides the high-quality protein needed to prevent muscle wasting, a common problem for kidney patients, while keeping uric acid production to a minimum. But the real magic of turkey lies in its mineral profile, specifically its high concentration of selenium. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that acts like a biological shield for the nephrons. It helps neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative stress, which is the leading cause of kidney cell death. Additionally, turkey is a natural source of B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12. Many people with kidney issues suffer from fatigue because their kidneys aren't producing enough erythropoietin, the hormone that tells the body to make red blood cells. By providing the body with B vitamins through lean turkey, you support your energy levels and nerve health without the toxic load of heavier meats. But be warned, you must avoid processed turkey deli meats. These are often injected with phosphate additives and massive amounts of sodium to preserve them. These hidden chemicals can cause an immediate spike in blood pressure and mineral buildup, causing the very damage you are trying to avoid. Fresh, roasted turkey is the only way to reap the repair benefits. Number 3. Whitefish. Number 3 is whitefish, often referred to by kidney specialists as the lightest protein on the planet. Varieties like cod, tilapia, and haddock are uniquely suited for kidney repair because of how they interact with your digestive system. As we age or as kidney function dips, our digestion often slows down. Heavier meats can sit in the gut for a long time, undergoing a process called putrefaction, which releases toxins like indoxyl sulfate into the bloodstream. These toxins are notoriously hard for the kidneys to filter. Whitefish, however, breaks down rapidly. It provides what we call clean nitrogen. Because it is so easy to digest, it enters and leaves the system quickly, producing a significantly lower toxic load than beef or lamb. Furthermore, whitefish is an excellent source of very lean omega-3 fatty acids. While not as high as salmon, the clean profile of whitefish means you get the anti-inflammatory benefits without the excess phosphorus often found in fattier fish. These omega-3s help improve endothelial function, which is a fancy way of saying they keep the walls of your blood vessels flexible. Your kidneys are essentially one big ball of blood vessels. When those vessels can relax and expand, the kidneys can flush out more toxins in a single hour than they could if the vessels were stiff and inflamed. Doctors often note that what is good for the heart is good for the kidneys, and whitefish is the bridge between the two. It supports a healthy lipid profile, lowering triglycerides, and keeping the cardio-renal axis in perfect balance. When the heart pumps efficiently and the blood is clean, the kidneys can finally move out of survival mode and into repair mode. Number 4. Fresh shrimp. The fourth entry on our list is perhaps the most misunderstood: fresh shrimp. For years, shrimp was labeled a forbidden food due to its cholesterol content. However, modern research has shown that for many, dietary cholesterol has a much smaller impact on blood levels than previously thought. And for the kidneys, shrimp offers a very specific advantage: iodine. There is a profound connection between the thyroid gland and the kidneys. If your thyroid function is sluggish, a common issue in adults over 50, your kidney filtration rate, eGFR, will naturally drop. Shrimp is one of the best natural sources of iodine, which supports the thyroid in regulating your overall metabolism and blood flow. When your thyroid is healthy, your kidneys receive a steady, strong blood flow, which is essential for flushing out toxins. Additionally, shrimp contains astaxanthin, a potent antioxidant that has been shown in clinical trials to reduce inflammation in the renal tubules. However, shrimp must be treated with respect. It contains more sodium and purines than white fish, which means it should be a strategic meat rather than an everyday meat. If you are in the later stages of kidney disease, you must monitor your portions. But for those looking to prevent damage or flush out early-stage toxins, the mineral profile of fresh shrimp can be a powerful ally. The key is to avoid all pre-frozen shrimp that has been treated with sodium triphosphate, a common additive used to keep shrimp plump. This chemical is a kidney killer. Always look for fresh, wild-caught shrimp to ensure you're getting the nutrients without the hidden toxins. Now, as promised, let's talk about the safest way to cook these meats, a method that most people ignore. Even the healthiest meat can become toxic if it is charred, grilled, or fried. High heat cooking creates something called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These are sticky proteins that act like sludge in your kidneys, causing rapid aging and inflammation. The renal rinse involves boiling or poaching your meats in a large amount of water first. Research has shown that boiling meat and then discarding the water can remove up to 30% of the potassium and phosphorus before you even eat it. If you want to repair your kidneys, you should avoid browning your meat. Instead, choose steaming, poaching, or slow cooking in liquid. By cooking in moisture, you prevent the formation of AGEs, keeping the proteins soft and easy for your kidneys to process. Use lemon juice, fresh garlic, and herbs like parsley, a natural diuretic, to add flavor instead of salt. Your kidneys are your body's most loyal servants. They work 24 hours a day through every meal and every nap, trying to keep your internal environment pure. But they can only work with the materials you give them. By choosing skinless chicken breast, lean turkey, white fish, and fresh shrimp, you are providing your kidneys with the clean, efficient protein they need to rebuild their tissues while minimizing the toxic exhaust they have to clear. Remember, the journey to kidney repair is not about a single magic meal. It is about a consistent daily commitment to lower acid, lower phosphorus, and lower inflammation. Every small choice you make, choosing the turkey over the beef or steaming your fish instead of frying it, is a vote for your future health and independence. Take care of your kidneys today, and they will take care of you for a lifetime. If you found this information life-saving, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We are dedicated to bringing you the latest science-backed ways to protect your health naturally. If you have a personal story or a question about your own kidney journey, please leave a comment below. We are building a community where we can all learn and heal together. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.